Hello everyone, I am Pete from Thailand. Today I will show you some special box for the uh, fix the iPhone motherboard. It's damaged. Yeah, but I don't know which one. The capacitor is damaged. It's burned with VCC main line. Okay, actually I have to check with the meters, check one by one which one is damaged, right? So today I have this box for help. This is special box. It's new solution for quickly for fixing. Okay, so now I will show you how to set up this box. The first one, you need this box and a power supply, DC power supply. Okay, and the setup with the voltage to the 30. Okay, like this, 30, and the amp 5 amp. Okay, and set. Okay, like this. Okay, and set up the right one, the voltage. Put this one. Okay, and put it on the right side. 4 volt. Yeah, 450 and put one time. Okay, so the second at the left side, put it up to the 30 amp. Okay, so now put it again and set with the green color, enter. Okay, so I will show you this one, this motherboard, iPhone 6s Plus. Okay, on the VCC main line damage. Okay, on the capacitor, 2 ways. Short. Okay, you can check with the meters. Home mode. Okay, like this. Okay, another way. Diode mode. Okay, okay, short. This motherboard cannot turn it on, so I will show you for boom the broken capacitor. So the first one, the black cable, put it on the ground. Okay, the ground board. And the second one, the red, yeah, put it on the same line, the VCC main. Oh, which one? This one, I think this one is burned. Okay, so check again, recheck again. I think perfectly. Try to check. It's working. Okay, so I'll show you. Two way. Okay, on there. 2 ฝั่ง Okay. So let's try to check now the motherboard is working or not. So I will show you which one is burned. I think this one. Oh, wow, it's bad capacitor. Okay, ใส่จอรอง Now I set on the normal mode. But try. Look at this. Okay, it's working. Look at this. Okay, perfectly. Thank you.